Hey guys, welcome back with another brand and exciting strategy, which is best CPA marketing track to earn you $245.77 a day with CPA marketing training for absolutely free topic method and pre-strategy that I will share you in this video right here. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end to not miss a single part of the strategy, because we are going to show you three different websites that you can grab your CPA offer from that, and you can start promoting your product. At the backside you can earn a huge amount of money from that. So the first and important thing is that to just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and the next step is that smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for future videos and future updates that you can just see before than everyone, and you can start making money from that. So the first thing is that you need to sign up with CPA Grab or CPA Lead. So whatever the website you are interested with, that you can simply just sign up for a pay account, or even you can simply go to the offer vault and sign up for a free offer vault method or website right here and start promoting your product from that. So definitely you can simply go to CPA Grab. If you want to promote with that, you can simply just log in. So once you log in, you will see the search button right here, and you can simply just type, for example, gift card or something like that. You can simply tab and you will see all available gift site right here that you can simply just click on anyone right here. For example, I'm promoting this offer, so I can simply just grab this affiliate link and start promoting anywhere I want, and the backside I can earn my commission from that website right here or from this offer right here. And similar to this, you can also go to the CPA late, sign up for a play account, then log in. So once you log in, then you can simply go to the search bar and you can simply type right here, for example, uh, gift card. Once you just type gift card right here, you will have available like Amazon, a $500 Amazon gift card, for example, or any other one. And similar to this, you can simply just go to offer wallet, and you can also sign up for a free account, and you just simply just type, for example, gift card right here. So I'm not talking about that you can simply join all three different accounts right here, but you can simply just use anyone you are interested with that. But the coolest part is here that with CPA Grab and CPA Late, we only need to have one sign up, and then we can simply grab our affiliate, our offers, and we can start promoting that. Means for future registration there is no need for any other one, or individual registration is no need for each offer. We will basically just click on the offer and we will have our affiliate link, and we can simply copy and start promoting right here. But for offer vault, you need to just sign up for each individual offer right here. For example, if you just tap this gift cards right here, we can simply scroll down and these will be available gift cards right here. Anyone we are interested with that, for example, we can simply just click on that. Once we click on that, so we will be visited this page right here. For each individual offer, we need to just click on the register button right here, for example, run offer, and we need to register with that network, and then we will have our affiliate link and we can start promoting that product right there. But in offer vault we have a lot of offers right here available, but see, compared to the CPA lead and CPA grab, we will not have we will have a lot of offers on offer vault. So that's why most of the time there will be available offers on the offer vault, and we can simply start promoting right here. So what we need to do, we can simply just put together all these offers right here in one link tree, which is a landing page, free landing page, as I have already shown you in my previous video. If still you don't know that what is link tree or how link tree is working, like here, for example, how it is working, so I can simply show you that how Linktree is basically working, and how you can just put together all offers in one place, and then you can have that link and start promoting that one link. When people just click on that, so many people will just right there, and many people will be just, for example, um, just choose any offer they need, so they can simply see here. As you can see here, this is the link tree. This is the main address and the main name, and you will be visited this page. You need to sign up for a pre-account right here. Once you sign up, then you will have the interface like this one. Means you can simply put or add your title and affiliate link right here. So then when people just click on link, they will be redirected to this type of page right here that you can simply, there will be your profile, your name right here, and each individual offer will be just mentioned right here, and people simply click on that and they will be redirected to the sales page. So the benefit of Linktree is that you put all together different offers in one place, and that will be a great idea that if someone doesn't like, for example, one offer, they will just choose another one. So that is the benefit of that. So once you are done with that, the next step will be that you can simply go to the free traffic, which is Twitter. Twitter is getting 6.5 billion free traffic source each month to this website is coming, and most of the traffic is coming from the United States, Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Canada. So that is the greatest part right here with Twitter. So once you come to the Twitter, you need to create a free account, add your name, for example, add your profile ID right here, and then you can simply click at the search bar, for example, Amazon or something like that. So once you search right here, you will see the official page right here. Then you can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, you will see here, and you will have their website as well as here. When you are creating your account, you need to have your name right here, not Amazon, your own name, your profile right here, and you will have the section for the website, and that website you can simply add your Linktree account right there. So once you add your Linktree account, it will look something like this, means as your website. And as you can see here, you will see your followers, that people have followed you, and here you will see your people that you are following them. Okay, so Amazon has more than 4 million plus followers right here. So I hope that you also get these types of followers, and you also have your own business and your own interaction on the internet surface to generate extra cash and more revenue from that. If you do this consistently, this method and this strategy, so you will be definitely getting a lot of followers, and you will have a lot of money from this method and this strategy right here. Once you just go there, you can simply just click on the followers. Once you click on the followers, you can just follow these different people right here. Once you follow them, so they can get notification. When they get notification, so in the same way, when they get notification, so they will see that who is this guy that they are following me, and they can see and visit your account, or your profile. Whenever they just move to your profile, they will see your image, they will see your name, they will see your website link. So they might be click on your link or might be not, I'm not sure about that, but for the future they can definitely click on that. So once you follow them, because many people in the world, they need the free contents, and such as the free gift cards, and it's more valuable for everyone. They're searching on the internet to earn a free gift card from anywhere they want right here. So that's why they will be interested, everyone, on this method and this strategy right here. So whenever they follow you, so in that way you can grow your account, and many people, you will have more followers. The next step will be that actually that you can simply just tweet on your account right here. Okay, so tweet something like every day, like one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. So you can just create different tweets right here. For example, get this chance uh, to win $1,000 free gift card. Get the link in our website right here. So it, when people see this or your followers see this, so they can simply just go to your website, your profile in your website, and they can choose any offer they want. So there will be multiple offers. Whenever they click on that and join anyone, we get the commission of that. So this is a consistent business. If you work hardly on this every single day, so you will have a lot of money and a lot of revenue. If you want to make more money, means speed money on the Twitter by this method, then you need to just promote your tweet by the help of Twitter promotion. So in that case, you can get very fast followers, and you can also get more clicks to your gift cards and your Linktree account right here. So this is why I was showing this method and this strategy, because it's a really unique and trusted method that can work definitely 100% if you just be consistent on this method, and it will bring a lot of money to you when you are every day uploading your contents or just posting or tweeting on the Twitter, because follow and unfollow method is not um, popular, or many people are not doing on Twitter. Most of the people are doing on Instagram. So that's why it's a unique method to just implement on Twitter and just get these targeted people, like from Amazon right here. You can simply see here, you can simply get these people right here. Okay, so this will be a great opportunity for us to make more money online with this specific method and this strategy right here. If you want to make more money online than this, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can simply just read each and everything there, and you will have a better solution for making money online. So if you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.